Greetings. At the age of 18, children plunge into an environment where their financial planning abilities and knowledge have a direct influence on each and every step they take from graduation to retirement. Financial planning plays a massive role in all major areas and events of life, be it choosing a career, purchasing your first home, getting married, having children, and so on. Students in India learn how to tackle hard arithmetic problems, create breakthrough technology, and find novel cures. They also study economics, history, politics, business, geography, and so on. The goal of education is to prepare a student for tomorrow. Yet the curriculum in universities and schools is not linked with the needs of the actual world. Our educational system caters to creating professionals who earn well but lack financial knowledge. A lack of basic understanding leads to bankruptcies, a loss in income, bad investment ideas, or a saving account that is too difficult to manage. Financial literacy has long been relegated a secondary role in a curriculum geared at creating boring machines whose end result is earning money. Because of the tremendous changes in the financial environment over the last few years, it is critical that we incorporate financial literacy into school curriculums in order to equip students with the information they need to live within their means. As a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, there is a light on the pressing need for early financial literacy. Because of the health problem, families are finally realizing that there is something their kids should learn. Early exposure to personal financing and money management abilities opens up a world of possibilities for real life application. Just imagine about how much of a head start an individual will have in life if they already are budget friendly, save regularly, and spend sensibly. As a result of generating income without knowing how to handle it, one is more likely to make poor financial decisions. This is a risk that this will lead to little or no saving, or even worse, debt. The finest aspect of studying and investing at a younger age in life is the opportunity that you allow your wealth to multiply over a period of several years. Human capital building begins with financial literacy. In addition to raising the standard of life, financial skills also add to the overall growth of the country. It is possible to eradicate poverty to some extent with financial literacy. For all intents and purposes, an economically intelligent India would be a big power on a global scale. To know more about the topic, refer to my article on indianfolk.com. Thank you.